And coming to the types of WebSphere software packages. So there are different packages. One is base, network deployment, Liberty Profile, Express Edition, and Developer Edition. So IBM provides with only Developer Edition for trial version only for developers. So if you download this one, it contains only a standalone server with minimum features. Like we cannot practice the clustering or many features. So base edition, it is suitable for standalone environments without clustering. And express edition, it is low cost edition for small businesses with basic features. So it supports 4 cores maximum, and base edition supports for only 2 cores because it is standalone. And this one is for small business and network deployment. There is no limit. You can scale up the uh, application servers horizontally, like how many you want, and it provides with fully featured uh, components. So for bigger environments, network deployment is a package that is used, right? So these are the different packages. We will use network deployment in our total course. And enterprise deployments typically use ND edition with clustering and centralized management. So in Express edition and base edition, there is no centralized management, meaning there is no deployment manager, only application server. And there are other profiles as well, like job manager and admin agent. So those are not used in real-time production environments, but only for the small businesses. And coming to the installation methods, okay, there is a GUI, method, silent, command line, and web-based. So GUI, if you are installing for like 1 or 2 machines, that is fine. You can use agent installer, installation manager, uh, mostly used by the new users, or when you want to manually execute the steps, you want to see what is happening. So you can go with the GUI. And silent method, installation via response file. So this is useful when you want to automate the setups across multiple machines. So this will generate a response file in the form of .xml, and you can have a central host that is connected to multiple machines where you want to install this IBM WebSphere application server. And you can write a script, bash script or shell script or something that can trigger the installation process on all the across multiple machines. You can do this at a single go. You can install on multiple machines. If you want to do that, you can go with silent installation. And command line, it uses IMCL. This is a command tool to install and manage packages, mostly used in CI/CD pipelines and remote installs. So you can just, in the same way, like how uh, you execute remotely, you can also execute IMCL command to install remotely. But here the response file is used. Here there won't be any response file. You will copy all the software packages to the appropriate machines, and you will trigger the command, the IMCL. So no response file. You can just write the script and execute from the CI/CD pipelines or from any remote centralized host. And there is web-based repository. You can install via IBM repository URLs. So it is a cloud or internet enabled installations. So what does this mean? You can, IBM has a portal called Passport Advantage. So this Passport Advantage, if you have a subscription, it will show the URLs. Those URLs will not work on the browser, but those URLs, when you enter it in the agent installer, which is IBM IM, we will use IBM IM to install using GUI, silent mode, and command line, and also web-based. So there is a package called Installation Manager. So this is a agent installer, or you can use IBM Installation Manager. So in order to install WebSphere package or plugins or IHS, you need to have Installation Manager as a prerequisite. So that is the first thing we will install on the server. After that, we will install the software with any of these methods.